Hey everybody, what a lovely day it is here in beautiful Suffolk, and we're about to get back on with the Flying 15 restoration. I just want to share something with you. It's always sad when you're in a boatyard and you see boats that somebody's obviously loved and cared for, and especially I've seen a person done a lot of work on a boat, and then you don't see them for a long while. You don't know the people, and I just wanted to show you this little old boat that we got going on here. Can I change my camera? No. We'll have to scoot round then and go that way. There you go. So yeah, look at this, guys. How sad is that? It's all wood ply. I mean, obviously they've spent a fair bit of money on it. I had a new canvas put on it last year, and then this happens in the sun. Look, I'm not going to peel it back because it's just an absolute tragedy. But you don't know what goes on in people's lives, you know. Sometimes illness prevents them carrying on, or sometimes sadly people are just no longer here. And boatyards are literally, you know, flooded with these kinds of projects, you know. They're just endless, they're just everywhere. So it's kind of sad, really. I just want to share that with you. But anyway, we're getting on with High today. What's the first job of the day? Well, it's go and get another extension lead, because my extension lead wasn't long enough for the job. We're going to get the flap disc out, and we are going to start hitting some of these spots of repair, little dings and chinks and bits and bobs, little dodgy repairs before up here. They're all over the place, little dinks and chings. So I'm going to get the flap disc in. You can see these little cracks. Some people would say, well, why even bother, really? Because I'm anal. So I'm going to get the flap disc and just mushroom this out, dish it out a bit. It runs all the way down the side, all the way down to here. They're not actually deep cracks, just cracks in the gel coat. So I'm going to just get the flap disc, bite into them a bit, give them a bit of filler, and then we're going to give the whole boat a new white top. Certain bits are going to be blue. We're going to go for a royal blue on the trims. If we get far enough, I would love to do a royal or a naval blue side skirt with a nice pinstripe down. Fancy, I know. Isn't going to make it go any quicker. But then, how quick do you want to go? I mean, this is just for me to have a bit of fun in, really. And so stay tuned. More videos now appearing. First job of the day is we've got some nasty little chinks down the bottom here, so we're going to wind the handle up, send the boat up, put some chocks in, wind the trailer down, let it go there. Hopefully then I'll have some workable gap space in there to again get the flap disc in, carve it all out, fill it, and then we're going to look at a paint job for her. And also the mast, we're going to be spending some time. It is serviceable, there's no cracks, but it's all a little bit dirty and scuffed up, so we're thinking, I don't know, comment below and let me know, would you just polish up or would you repaint? Let me know in the comments below. So anyway, this is Little John coming live from a lovely sunny Suffolk. Peace, love to everybody. Stay tuned for more videos and comment below. I love your comments, so you know, I love a good chit chat, so comment below. If I'm doing something wrong, say, oi, you big nugget. Right, thanks very much. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.